This is the view from my balcony. The airport, so what's that? The airport is literally right inside the hotel. I didn't know that. There's the beach. Let's go to the beach. Beach, let's catch a wave. Definitely don't want to catch a wave in this weather. Oh my god. It's like 15 degrees. It might look sunny. And it's not England, so it looks a lot better. You've got a swimming pool, some beds that I can't really see more than like 6 people using. So the games there, we've got kids over there, bar down there. I'll show you some of the parts later on. Behind the hotel, you've got 2 full-size tennis courts and like a, I'll say about 7-a-side football pitch, so it's not